Welcome to Gear Grinders. Today we're diving into the world of high-performance dirt machines with the all-new 2026 Kawasaki KX500. After years of anticipation, Kawasaki has brought back a legendary nameplate, reimagined for the modern era of motocross and enduro racing. The new KX500 blends raw power, advanced technology, and off-road precision like never before. Let's take a closer look at what makes this beast a true game-changer. Design and aesthetics. The 2026 KX500 carries an aggressive, race-ready stance that instantly reminds fans of its heritage while embracing modern design elements. The bike features a lightweight aluminum perimeter frame, sharp bodywork for improved aerodynamics, and a narrow midsection for better control during jumps and cornering. New graphics, a slimmer LED headlight, and revised ergonomics give it a professional, factory rider look. Every inch of the KX500 is built for performance and precision, from its updated seat design to its minimalist rear fender. Performance and powertrain. At its core, the new KX500 packs a completely redesigned 500 cubic centimeters two-stroke engine with fuel injection, delivering incredible torque and top-end power with smoother throttle response. The bike's lightweight construction and optimized gear ratios make it explosively fast on straights and responsive in technical terrain. A refined suspension setup with Showa components provides exceptional balance between agility and stability, while advanced traction management ensures maximum grip across changing surfaces. Whether on motocross tracks or rugged trails, the KX500 dominates with confidence. Safety and technology. Kawasaki has incorporated modern features to make the KX500 both powerful and rider-friendly. A digital control module manages fuel mapping and ignition timing for consistent performance. The braking system features high-spec pedal discs and improved cooling for better control during long rides. Riders also benefit from adjustable riding modes, launch control, and smartphone connectivity through Kawasaki's Radiology app, allowing for fine-tuned customization of engine response and performance data tracking. Conclusion. The 2026 Kawasaki KX500 marks the triumphant return of an off-road legend, redesigned for today's riders who crave power, control, and cutting-edge engineering. With its bold styling, next-gen two-stroke performance, and advanced tech features, the KX500 redefines what a race bike can be. Stay tuned to Gear Grinders for more reviews, updates, and deep dives into the machines that push the limits of performance.